Hello everyone, today I have a question related to the quadratic equation from grade 10. The question is like this. In a picnic, a total bus fare of rupees 360 is to be equally paid by a number of passengers. If there were 3 passengers more, each would have to pay rupees 6 less. So the first question is, write the quadratic equation in standard form. The quadratic equation in the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and a should not be equal to 0. Similarly, the second question is, what is the fare to be paid by each passenger? So here the number of passengers is also unknown, so we will suppose the number of passengers as x and the fare paid by each passenger as rupees y. Then as the total bus fare is rupees 360, the first equation will be x into y equal to 360, that is the number of passengers into the bus fare paid by each passenger is equal to 360. From here we get x is equal to 360 by y. Similar, the next conditions, if there are 3 passengers less, the question is, if there are 3 passengers more, each would have to pay rupees 6 less. So in number of passengers will decrease by increase by 3 as it is increased, and the fare for each passenger is decreased by 6. So x plus 3, y minus 6, so altogether it must be again 360. So multiplying this we get x y minus 6x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 360. Keeping x into y, xy, the value of xy as 360 and the value of x only as 360 by y, and simplifying 3y square minus 18y minus 2160 equals to 0. So if we take here 3 common, then the remaining terms will be y square minus 6y minus 720 equal to 0. So the middle term factorization by subtracting 6 by multiplying 720. The factors are 30 and 24. So opening with the minus sign we get y minus 30 into y plus 24 equals to 0. From here either y minus 30 equal to 0, y is equals to 30, or y plus 24 equal to 0, y equal to minus 24. As this is the bus fare which should not be negative, so minus 24 is invalid, so we'll accept y as 30. So each passenger has to pay rupees 30 as the bus fare. Similarly, the last question is, find the total number of passengers. As number of passengers we have supposed it as x, and in the first equation there is x equals to 360 by y. So the value of y we just got 30. 360 by 30 is 12 passengers. Altogether there are 12 passengers. In this way this problem can be solved.